Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. I am bit deviating from schedule. And decided to show you how to clean install Windows 11 on any system, old or new. Yes, Windows 11 can even run on fine on the first generation SIST. Forget about minimum hardware requirements. Such installation get updates too. Secure boot or TPM is not necessary. Plus Windows 11 is free for everyone. This is the real good news, free Windows. So let me show you how it works. Let's boot a Windows 11 on an old PC. This is an old first generation i7 from Dell M6500. You can see Windows 11 booting at reasonable speed. This is SSD on SATA 2, not even SATA 3. Time to log in. This video is from external camera, so bear with it. So here are Windows 11. Let's check out properties of this PC. This is i7820 with 8 GB RAM. Here it says Windows 11 Pro. Installed on the 15th of November 2021. This is activated version, without using any activation key during installation. Let me zoom out. You can see activation status is active. Time to look at the requirements. 8 GB USB pen drive or external hard drive. You need Rufus software. And definitely need a Windows ISO file. Here it is, updated requirements. Let's move to the next slide. So first step is how to download Windows 11 ISO. This is very simple, let me do it for you. Let's Google Windows 11 ISO. Here it is, Microsoft.com. This is the page to download. We don't need installation assistant. We don't want to create an installation media. We want ISO of Windows 11. Maybe you can read this yourself and try to understand. Let's click on download. Now we have other options like product language. Let's choose English International. Let's confirm, and after confirm there is one more thing to do. Now you can download your Windows 11. English International 64-bit download. Just click on it. Download will start. That's it. So this is my downloaded file. Let's see size, which is 5.371 gigabytes. The next step is to download Rufus. Let's Google Rufus. Here it is. Rufus.ie. Click on it and it will take you to the Rufus site. All you need to do is go to download. Not click on the download word, but under the download word you will have Rufus 3.17. Just click on it. It will take some time, it is just 1.3 megabyte. But at times it will take some time to download. You can see this download has started. It's an X file, you don't have to install it. Our next step is to copy ISO file to USB using software Rufus. Let's click on X file we have just downloaded. This window will open. For device, let me put in my USB. Automatically detected. And this need an ISO. Where is that ISO file I downloaded? Here it is, so let's open it up. And now you can see an image option. I have TPM plus secure. So if you have an old system, all you need to do is just choose second option. That is no secure boot, no TPM. No need to change any other option. Just start. So it will give you a warning that all data will be formatted. Yes, I want to delete all the data. First it will start deleting the partition. This will take around 3.5 minutes. First, partitioning. Creating the file system. Copying the ISO file. Notes under cancel it is already almost a minute. And 2 minutes we are around 96.9%. Almost there. It's removing restrictions. We are ready. USB is ready now. It's time to boot from USB and clean install Windows 11. I didn't choose upgrade function, I just did the clean install. When prompted for activation during installation, all you have to do is choose I don't have a product key. Even if you have the product key, just choose I don't have a product key. So in the next step, when Windows is installed and your PC is booted, if your PC is already registered with Microsoft for Windows 7, 8 or 10, I understand Windows 11 will automatically get activated. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to put in some serial key or something else. Plus, if you don't have any activation key, Windows 11 will keep working because I understand Windows is now a free operating system. You will get only a reminder of activation that will appear on your monitor, so just ignore it and keep using Windows 11. And the last thing I want to share is size of installed Windows 11. It is around 28.5 GB. Happy computing, bye.